Hey there, Capricorn! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel. So before we dive into this reading, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo for you, then this reading might really for you. And of course, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, crosswatchers, you're all welcome here, mga babes. So, yan, tingnan natin meron dito for you, Capricorn. Let's dive right into your reading right here. Spirits and angel guys, can you please show me? What do we have here for my Capricorn, please? Spirits and angel guys, can you please show me? Yung iba, naghahanap pa kayo ng work. Okay. Yung iba parang may work naman pero parang gustong lumipat ng work, or yung iba may work naman pero yun nga, not feeling satisfied, maybe because of the policies, or meron kayong issues about that company, or yung iba mga babes, I can see you na ayaw nyo mag-work kasi gusto nyo mag-business. Yan. Gusto nyo ng improvement pero pinag-iisipan nyo pa. Yan. So yung iba, mga babes, meron kayo pinagkakakitaan or meron kayo ritong work pero you're looking for a better job or a better income right here. Yeah. I can see a new beginning for you guys. Okay, listen to your intuition, okay? Para naman makakapagsabi niyan mga babes, no? Kung saan kayo dinadala ng intuition ninyo, yun susundin ninyo. Because if you're listening to your intuition, it can never be wrong. Diba? At saka, ba't ka naman magsistay sa work na yan kung alam mo naman na hindi ka na feel connected, no? Parang, napipilitan ka na lang pumasok everyday, or ikaw to noon na parang, alam mo yon, parang napipilitan ka na lang. Siyempre, ang syongit naman ng ganung feelings. Diba? So, let's see. See? I can see right here that there's a new beginning. Look at that. Beautiful. Lots of greens, lots of yellows. I can see that there is abundance coming in for you. The ubas is some kind of a fruit na napakahirap niyan na naalagaan at palaguin, no, hanggang sa maging prutas yan. Kaya ibig sabihin, I can see here that you want, okay, na stability talaga. Yung talagang pang matagalan na. Okay? You want this, not just a bag of chess, but a chest of gold. Okay? So whatever the case may be, I can see right here, you're soaring up to that sky. No? At kung ano yung sinasabi ng intuition ninyo, sundin nyo yun mga babes. Okay? This is some kind of a transportation. No? Yan ang transportation mode dito sa deck na ito. So this is the everyday witch. So, I can see you flying here, soaring up the sky, okay? So, I can see you that you want to have more stability, more success in your life, okay? Follow your intuition. If you feel less, no, parang may pera ka naman, pero ba't ganun? Okay? Life is too short for you to be unsure, and life is too short for you not to take risks, okay? If you fail, ba't hindi ka pa pwede mag-try again? Diba? At saka, I can see that there's a new beginning here for you. Okay? Wherever you feel your intuition is pointing you, then go to that direction. Diba? So, yeah. You're manifesting here some kind of a stability. Okay? And because of that, what did I told you, guys? So, I told you that you have to make a move. The universe will show you the opportunities right here, okay? So, it's time for the alsabalutan. It's time for making a bold move. Making it happen. Yung iba pwedeng hindi nyo naman kailangan umalis yung sa work. Minsan hindi naman ako, pero kailangan ko ng pera. Yan. Kasi maaaring mga babes, no, okay ka naman dyan sa work mo, pero nakukulangan ka sa yung money. So, I think, you could probably see an opportunity right here for your expansion, for the growth of your money, coins or pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay aangat, ito ay lalago. Diba? So, I can see that whatever it is that you're thinking, okay, follow it. Okay, follow it. Okay? So, I can see success right here for you. Actually, you have all the tools that you need in manifesting that. Yeah. If you feel connected, lovers is not always, but for others, I can see love coming in for you. Okay? May options pa nga. Pero here, in general, let me just talk about the coins and pentacles first. I can see that for a lot of you, okay, hindi na kayo feeling connected dyan sa work ninyo. Hindi na kayo feeling connected dyan sa business ninyo, di ba? Pag wala na dyan yung heart ninyo, wala na dyan yung passion ninyo, how can you fly to the next level? 'Di ba? It's hard, it's nakakawalang gana, it's pagising mo sa umaga, it's like you're pagod na, 'di ba? So whatever the case may be, ang syongit naman pag ganun, 'di ba? Kailangan nyo excited ka to do that thing, excited ka to go to work because, okay, masarap sa pakiramdam yung kumikita ka pero you're enjoying it, 'di ba? Yung kumikita ka pero you're not feeling like you're working a day of your life because you enjoy what you do. 'Diba? Tsaka ngayon, mga babes, no, hindi na importante yung sinasabi ng ibang tao, okay? Tsaka may kanya-kanya tayong journey, may kanya-kanya tayong libro, 'diba? Hindi tayo pwedeng sumingit sa isa't isa. Ngayon kung nagbabalak sa ng sumingit sa buhay ninyo, edi kiber, 'diba? Yaman nyo lang sila, mga babes, okay? Just focus here on your own stability. Okay? And for others of you, I can see that there is someone here coming in into your life, actually, higit pa nga sa isa. So, pwedeng dalawa o higit pa. Kasi nakikita ko dito na nagpo-focus kasi kayo sa stability ninyo. Ganun kasi yung mga mahal, no, Capricorn. Pag nagpo-focus kasi kayo, especially you, Capricorn, napakasipag ninyo pagdating sa work, no? Talagang focus, detail-oriented, pangarap kung pangarap talaga. Getching kung getching, yan. So, whatever the case may be, nakikita ko dito, no, that you're focusing here on your stability on the upcoming months. Yan. Especially ngayon, bare months na, nakita ko rito ng pila ng mga inaanak. Pila ng inaanak. And I saw someone, no, na pumila. So, pwedeng nag-grocery kayo last time or parang may pinilahan kayong babae kayong kuryente or what. This could be a reading. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, I can see you here. That others of you have here choices when it comes to love. Okay? Kasi the more you focus on yourself, the more you focus on your personal life, okay, then love life will really pop out from somewhere. Okay, ganun yun. Yan. So, nakita ka dito that you're not chasing for love, but love is about to chase you. Wow. Yeah, look at that. You really want money, money, money. Yan. Because you need money, money, money. Yan. So, I can see right here that this is you, oh, diba? Yung new beginning talaga. Okay? If you feel, okay, na kailangan mo na talaga, no, ng recognition, kasi baka tagal mo na dyan, di ka naman nare-recognize, o kaya, ang layo-layo naman ng work na yan, talo ka sa pamasahe, or whatever, there is some kind of a bold move for a change right here for you, but you have to make it happen, syempre. Kasi nakita ko dito na may opportunity na magpapakita sa'yo at bubungad sa'yo. All you have to do, syempre, no? Hindi ko kayo ini-encourage na mag-resign na now na. Kasi this is a general reading right here. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, if your intuition is telling you, no, na mag-resign na kayo at lumipat na kayo ng ibang trabaho, edi resign na. 'Di ba? So, ganun yung nakikita ko dito, Capricorn. Pero kasi, this is not for everybody since just as general reading right here. But I can see someone wanting a stable when it comes to money and coins. I can see it coming because there's gonna be doors of opportunity. Saka may talento ka, may tinataglay ka rito, galing, oh. May creativity, ano ka eh, na skill sa sarili mo eh. Okay? Pwedeng may talent ka rito, tapos pwede mo yung pagkakitaan, di ba? Yun ang nakikita ko for you, Capricorn. Nakakita ko dito ng new beginning sa pera mo. May ilalago yan, mare. Oo, or pare. Di ba? Pre, may ilalago yan pera mo. Okay? So, yeah. Whatever it is you're manifesting, Seven of Cups is the very beautiful in reverse ever. Because the Seven of Cups in upright, mga pangarap yan na pinapangarap mo pa lang, hindi yung pa nagigetching. 'Di ba? Pero dite, kapag ka ito ay naka-reverse, talagang magigetching mo na ito, Capricorn. So, ibig sabihin, makukuha mo na one by one, yan. Yan, lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo or yung mga dinidesire mo is makukuha mo. It will come into your reality. If you want abundance, then it's coming. Okay? It's coming, Capricorn. Okay? All you need to do is to connect to your intuition and make a bold move. Mag-decide ka. 'Di ba? Mag-decide ka. From there, yeah, all you need to do is to take a courageously step your one foot forward to make all of this happen. This is strength. This is having confidence. Okay, to make a bold move, to step your one foot forward. Okay, yan. To make it happen. Look at that. This is the same one. This is the same wand of the magician. You know, you're holding the wand. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw may kakayahan na self-worth. Ikaw may kakayahan to make this happen. Okay? For you to be able to achieve all of your dreams in your life. Okay, hindi ang kapitbahay mo, hindi ang jowa mo, kung may jowa, hindi ang crush mo, at lalong hindi ang alaga niyong pet. Ikaw ang may kakayahan na matamasa ito. Ayan, kitang-kita ko rito mga babes, ang katamasaan na gusto mo. You want to celebrate your success. You're drinking your own wine, relaxing under the shades of your abundance. See? Relaxing under the shades of your abundance. Yeah, that's really beautiful, and you can make it happen, my loves. You can make it happen. Yeah, look at that. Someone is coming towards you, could be younger than you by age. Someone who is romantic right here. Someone here, okay, na nakikita ko rito that will surely love getting attention from you. And look at that. I can see that this person wish ka niya, or maaaring wish mo ito, or kasama to sa minamanifest mo na tao dito. Yeah, this is someone embodying this kind of King of Wands energy. So, this could be an entrepreneur. This could be someone here who has lots of responsibilities, and schedule niya is puno rin palagi, pero may time yan sa'yo. Okay? Pag nakakita ko ng pag nag-chat ka dyan, bibitiwan niya yung meeting na yan, lahat ng ginagawa niya. Oo, you heard it right. I said meeting. Because this is someone who is big. Maybe may authority, may position. Baka siya pa nga may-ari nun. So whatever the case, maybe I can see someone here who is already with high honor on the top. As you can see, parehas kayo ng energy. Kasi this is you want abundance, stability. You're not looking for love. Okay? That is why the universe is sending you someone matching your energy. Ay. Ang taray, no? Tinan mo, na-attract mo siguro siya dahil nagpa-highlights ka. Ano may highlights? Tsaka nagpakulot ka dyan. Ang tawag dyan? Perm? Korean perm? Yan. Taray. Well, claim this, Capricorn. This is all yours. So, thank you so much, Capricorn. Sarang love in life. Annyeong.